Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can see your friend's birthday on Snapchat. So it's pretty simple. So remember, like, if your friend has made his or her birthday public, then only you can see it. If they haven't, then you are not going to be able to see it. So I will provide all the example for it. So if your friend has made it public, then you can basically just click on their profile. So for an example, I'm going to click on my friend Abhinav's profile. So I will click on his profile picture and it's going to show me 16 Jan right below his name, alright? And as you guys can see, that's his birthday. That's basically his birthday. So I can click on 16 Jan and it's going to show me all the other friends whose birthday are not hidden. So these are all the friends in my friend group who has not hidden their birthday. Abhinav, Shin, Vaibhav. So just like this, you can see the list by clicking on the birth date of any one of your friend. But if you click on a profile of a person who has not shared his birthday, so for an example, Badaloli, I can click on it. And as you guys can see, nothing is being shown over here because he has not shared his birthday, or he has not made it public, or he has not entered a birthday over here. That's why nothing is being shown over here. So that is basically why I cannot see anything. But yeah, that is basically how you guys can see your friend's birthday on Snapchat, only if they have made it public. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.